to my channel. Today we are going to be comparing the $8 Bluetooth Temu mic to the Sennheiser MKE 200 mobile kit. So let's get straight into it. But wait, which microphone are we going to unbox first? Awesome, let's do this one. I am so excited to be upgrading my audio for you guys. Let's get this up close unboxing, shall we? Okay, so this is what it looks like straight out the kit. So let's test out this audio, and hopefully it's already charged. Hello, testing 1 2, testing 1 2. So we currently have the Bluetooth Temu mic connected to my phone. It was actually really simple to use. It was already charged. I just plugged in that little piece that goes into the bottom of your phone and then pressed the on key on the back of this microphone, and it was ready to go. I just turned on my camera, and this is what the audio sounds like. This is what it sounds like now that I have it clipped onto my shirt. I got the 2 mic set, so this was only $8. I believe they have a single mic set as well, and if you want that one, I think it was around maybe $4 or $6. But it's only $2 extra, so might as well get 2. Okay, so now what I'm gonna try to do is I'm gonna take the mic off and leave it on the bed and walk into the hallway or into another room to see how far it seems like it can pick it up. So I'm getting up. I am currently outside the door of my bedroom. I'm walking further down the hall. I am now halfway into the hallway. I'm taking a few more steps back, I'm trying to keep my voice relatively at the same volume just to see how far it will pick it up. And I will say I am 25, 30 feet away, maybe? I don't know. I'm really bad at knowing how far. So yeah, so that was me testing it all the way down the hallway, which again, I don't know if y'all could hear me, but I am not very good at estimating distance. So I estimated maybe I was like 30 feet away. I'm not sure. But let's go test it out in a few other places. So this is what the microphone sounds like in the acoustics of the bathroom. In case you need to pull out one of your best Beyonce songs, you put my love on top, baby, cause you the one that I love. This is what it's gonna sound like. Baby, you all that I need. And now we are outside, so I know that this microphone has the little windproof meshy thing around it. And there's definitely a little bit of wind. So this is what it sounds like out here. Yeah. Okay, so now we are back to home base. I'm not sure how long the microphone stays charged for. That's the only thing that I want to know. Oh, on the back it says 20 meters of accessible reception. That's pretty good. Precise audio, widely compatible, highly sensitive, clear timbre, plug and play. It really was as simple as plug and play. On the front, it says they're good for live show, interviews, and vlog short videos. Let's go on to the next microphone. Okay, now it's time to open the Sennheiser. I'm actually really excited for this one. Here it goes. I'm so excited. Y'all, this is so crazy. Oh my gosh. I'm like so excited. You don't even know. I'm so excited. Oh my gosh. Let's see. And if this doesn't look familiar to you, go back to watch the What's in My Purse video. But let's get right into this. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Okay, it comes with the pamphlet to do. Oh, this is the little, what do you call this? Windbreaker, windproof something. Little baggie, probably to put all your gadgets in. Oh my gosh. So freaking excited, y'all. Wow. I don't know. Like, is it just me? I feel like I could cry right now. Like, y'all can't see me right now, but I'm like, this is like the most high-tech thing I've ever gotten for my YouTube channel. So this is like a huge milestone right now. And then we'll set this up. So let's set this up and see how it works. Let's figure out how to set this up. So I'm going to twist this into the back. Make sure it's all nice and snug. I think I put the wrong one on. This is definitely not the smartphone one. Then we'll attach this to the top. This little quick setup guide is not over the top. I see. Ooh, damn, she bad. She got the fur coat on, looking good, looking scrumptious. No, I'm just playing. Put my extra piece in here. How do we do this? Chinese, Japanese, Russian, German. Maybe it's this one. Found it. All right, I don't know what I'm doing. Wow, so this is the setup, y'all. This is what it looks like. Let me put my little mic. Let me put the little mic coat on. It is December. It is winter time. It is cold outside. Gotta keep you safe from the snow, little buddy. Oh my gosh. Look. I feel like this is like putting socks on a baby. Now it's ready to go. Now here is the close-up. And most of this is adjustable. All right, y'all, so this is what it looks like. I have not plugged it in yet, but I am about to right now. I'm hoping that it just immediately works once I plug it in, as it should. So this is what the audio sounds like. I might have my microphone backwards. Let's see. All right, y'all. So this is what the audio sounds like. The only con about this is that the stand is really short, but this is perfect if you're like vloggers and content creators for sure, and for on the go and you still want really great mic audio. So one of the benefits of the microphone is that you don't have to charge it and you don't need batteries. And honestly, it's a pretty decent weight to be carrying around if you are like a vlogger, for example. And it's just really nice and sleek and very comfortable to hold. So let's go test out some audio. All right, y'all. So, okay, here we are. We are back in the bathroom testing the acoustics. This is it about arm's length away. In case you want to bust out your new Nicki Minaj album, which I will not be singing, you can do that in here. This one foot down with the boom to sit, top down, it down, the to sit, and it blazing up. Okay, this is the bathroom acoustics. Okay, so now we're outside. This is what it sounds like. Again, arm's length away. This is what it sounds like if I'm whispering. This is what it sounds like if I talk a little louder. Yeah. Just kidding, y'all. We're back outside again. I realized I actually had the microphone backwards. So this is what it actually sounds like. This is what it sounds like when I'm whispering. This is what it sounds like when I'm talking a little bit louder. So let's go back to the bathroom acoustics. This is actually what the bathroom acoustics sound like. Like I said, I don't know, for some reason. Look, y'all, I ain't never had a fancy mic like this before. Sorry if I'm yelling. I need to adjust to having a microphone. But I didn't know which way the microphone was supposed to go. But now I know. Sentimental, dice que por otro más no llora. No, pero si le ponen la canción. So anyways, this is what it actually sounds like. Now, if you're ready to bust out in that Karol G, do what you gotta do, girl, okay? Period. All right, y'all. So that was the Sennheiser MKE 200 mobile kit review and wireless lavalier microphone from Temu. My overall reviews is that for $8, the Temu mic is pretty good. It's a lot better than just using your phone audio. And that way also too, I don't have to yell and talk as loud. So, and it's also very convenient being able to walk around with it. I believe it can get up to 20 meters of reception. So that's pretty good in my opinion. It also comes with 2 of them. So in case you like to do like interviews or anything like that, it'll be perfect. So you and another person can also use it at the same time. And it's not like the highest quality mic ever, but for someone just starting out, either starting their YouTube channel or with content creation, I 100% would recommend this. And also too, I'm pretty sure it's on sale right now for like $6.26 or something like that. So get it while you can. And for the Sennheiser, I love that it has the little fuzzy thing to help block out some of the extra noise in the background, or if you're outside and it's windy. The only thing that I think would have made it better is if the tripod stand was more adjustable. Like if I could raise the height up higher, that would be a lot better. But as for like walking around and doing vlogs and things like that, it's absolutely perfect. It's not too heavy. Also, make sure that you are talking into the correct direction of the mic. But it's also good that we tested out being on the back side of the mic. You can still pick up the audio pretty well. So that's also great. Thank y'all so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Stay spunky, stay splendid. We out.